Previously on The Bartender.
You feel like you can just drop pregnancy for me, so I'm just take that so?
Chanel Rookwood, Janelle Rookwood, they're my sister. You love Goody?
With all of my heart, bubbles.
I have something for do. I'm gonna need your help.
So where you want me to come a Goody yard for now?
Me don't like if you come back and work at the bar. Cause if you're there at the bar, are the easiest way that for me take care of it. Babe, so the bartender them here.
Miss Rookwood, your name? Please come with us.
Miss Goody, where my sister there?
Police gone with her.
Yeah man, father still, this me I work on you know.
Wow, I love everything, man. I love what I say, man. But, yo, the student are shot.
Yeah, man.
Rich. Oh, there you know my youth.
Yo, cool no man.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
yeah, man.
enough respect for the link the way you give me in a cause. I like the way you give me, make me save back some money.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Yeah, man. I mean, yeah, whatever due to you, you forget it.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm really for the youth, you know, the youth of the future.
Cool no man.
So.
Well, you see that beat with me I work on? It's a dream to get that beat you know.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man. I'm going to tell you, say, yo, are you a record me too and that dream you know?
Okay, then.
Yeah, man, me have a tune panic when I sing about my cat today and everything. I don't get here.
Yeah, man.
It's DB and now I'm ready to rock. It's DB, the girls are following my trap. It's DB and now I'm ready to pop. So I'm scared to the girl them. Oh, man. That will make the girl them sing for me, you see me? What's my name? Oh, man. So man, I make a hit line now, I'm gonna sing for my girl. Watch out now. You can see on TV that my name is DB. How much love we got 3. I'm a girl named Goody. Can't make a hit say how much still. Yeah, man, father says, so what do you think about it?
We like it, man. We like it, man.
Yeah.
But, you know, saying we love how you deal with things and if you
real,
think
for
for
real.
real. But DB producing different than being an artist, you know.
So and that's why I'm linking man, father still, because you're the right man to teach me the ropes, you know.
You have to have a clean ears. You have to just know what you want, you know. You have to vision it.
Yeah.
You understand? So you have to take away yourself different as an artist, being a producer. It's a whole different thing.
So father still, now you work on Shabba 2 Grammy album then.
Yeah, man. I started as an audio engineer, though, you know. And then I just work myself as a producer as years go by, you know. Tough dedication and I just put myself in this because I know that this I did want, music I want.
Well, I same thing I want to, you know, father still.
You sure?
Father still, I'm sure like how them did lock down Jackie out.
Yeah, man. It's not an easy road.
Now you produce that song then.
Yeah, man.
It's not an easy road. I mean, you see the glamour and the glitter, so them think I better rose, me say.
Who feels it knows, you know?
For real, man. For
Song
real,
say it
man.
all. But DB,
Yeah.
me have to run.
Alright.
Understand? But as me tell you, you have to just focus, you know, just separate yourself different from the artist and then as a producer.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
understand?
for real,
and
for
then
real.
you have to just live up, you know, a real man always take care and responsibility. That's why you have to do that. See, my youth,
For
man.
real, father still.
Real,
And I
yeah.
say, alright, man, look at more.
Yeah, man. We talk, man.
Alright.
Damien. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
So you said the thing certified? But man, I have to get all of the information before I put my foot on the ground still, you know. Hold on there. What you say them say for me? But man, then you wanna know, say, man, like a shortcut, the right round on the free, that's how I lead you right go up in a deal. You ever go up in a deal, eh? But man, don't have to know what I do, you know. Because somebody will not reach out them yard, you know. Yo, more you do, man. Yo, tell the man them say I gotta change the location, bad man. You see me? You see, any one of them boy, they frowns upon the fact boy you want to change the blood clean location. Something wrong. And like I said before, brother, somebody wouldn't reach out them yard. You hear that? So fix up the thing, bad man. Gas station, bad man.
You never say I come here and pack out the things them.
Yo, me not care about. You hear that? Cool. 5. I don't tell you so I not broadcast myself. You understand that, man?
Me for everything, Winston. Me in the shop, and me I deal with the hot dog. So that means they got done the fish business.
No other deal with no fish thing. Thing name swim around Saturdays.
You know what I mean. For your comeback, it's like you neglect everything.
Yo, 5, stop going like you don't have no sense, bad man.
Not call me no bad man.
Yo, you know see what I go on from the other day? Eh? What you feel like, say? Me go stay up this and make them come. Yo, you me say no man, relax yourself and think, yeah? Think 5 and stop going, so.
Winston, your carry-on look like it full. I'm gonna like it. Careful, yeah? Careful.
None of the same again, year 5. Nothing.
She's not a police. The only thing me know is she used to go training school for a while and then she drop out. And she used to do with one policeman. That's all. Gun? Real gun? Well, me don't know about that part then. So that they come for? Carlton, you want me for show my face to the client them? And you know some have other business to deal with the road? Me never tell us if I put no money in my account. Look here. If me have to go meet the people in person, it now go happen. So do what you need for do. Right. Debbie, what on? Yeah man, my good man. I have a business proposal I want to talk to you about here. Yeah. Yeah man. Alright.
Yeah. Go. One more. 3. That's what's up. What the hell is wrong with you? You alright?
Good.
You sure?
Good.
Alright. Let's get it. Follow through the second hook. So run through the whole thing again. Hook. Hook again. So weave, hook, hook. Hook. Alright. Go.
1, 2,
Yep.
2.
Follow through. Go. Where are your hands supposed to be? You alright?
Good.
No, you're not. You're not focused.
It's just a phone call me get this man. It's just kind of throw me off. But I'm good.
phone call that's throwing you off? You are a professional. You are lacking focus. Hey! Focus. Get it together.
Focus.
Focus. Not bad. Sneaky. Okay. Nice. Hello, Bubbles. Welcome back.
Well, studio up and running. My father still give me a blessing. It's a good look. Goody. Goody. Where you gone?
No, I'm there, man. That's something I think about.
You not even come look on the studio for the finish it?
But so come look for it, man.
Goody, your man. I mean, your ex-man. Build a studio and you stay so while?
Hey, man, you know you have my 100% support. Plus, I'm proud of you. But you know that studio thing there, I hear a thing that, man, who come look on the studio anytime.
I always tell you say you have a singing voice, you know. If you try a fighting, man.
You're a joke. You go on here.
Joke. Right now, me have a song that fit your voice. But you not serious about my thing.
You try go to Pampute and Macadam and this here and leave my spirit alone.
You know, some have a female artist in mind. Feel like me gonna try a fight. The angel. You know, I feel like I'm more fierce style. Where she not the OnlyFans thing there.
To mix so sure.
But seriously, Goody. I like you just try it. I just want to hear what you say. Just try it.
David, what is wrong with you?
Just try this song, man. Go on.
Hold me on my neck, boy. Lock off my breath. Foreplay, I'm not in.
Come on, Goody. Give me a little more vibes, man. Vibes it up a little more for me, man.
How much you pay me?
Just cool the man, Goody. Just sing the song for me, man. Just give me a vibe.
Let's see if it make a difference, Mr. Home.
Go on.
Hold me on my neck, boy. Lock off my breath. Foreplay. I remember the video.
Yeah, do it.
Hold me on my neck, boy. Lock off my breath. Foreplay. I'm not in my want the roughness. But now I'm not close. I'm a plan for the touch. From it here about money me start eco.
When you back it up and jack it up and put it on the bike.
Yeah.
Ride off of them style, them like.
What, man?
Right. Okay, let's that song that fit here, you know. So you think about that song?
It's so good. But write me a gospel song.
Good, you just... Yeah, be a thing and go on with it now.
That's somewhere you have to go on now?
No, I'm not ready for this yet.
Well, my foot will cock up in the chair.
Good. Me have something to tell you.
Wow.
Brownie pregnant.
So that have to do with me. Good for she.
Brownie pregnant to me. Goody.
Where you say? Where you say that, man? Where you say?
But I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure if I'm here the father.
So how long you know this?
About 2 months now. 2-3 months.
No, sir. This keep on and get better and better. 3 months, that bed. You see you teach me a valuable lesson in life, yeah? You.
So Goody, we can't talk about
Me don't want to talk about nothing. Me don't want to chat about nothing. You see, she are the reason why I'm in this now. She are the reason. And that bed, me pregnant for already and lose the baby. And you know what? Why we are going here? But don't tell you say you can stay here already and that now will change. Dog bed, don't send them to me. Don't send them. You know, one way I go here, one way I go, because you know my mouth load already. Just go on. But just know, say, see me and you, not even in your dream, ever.
Goody. Can let me ban.
Who that? David, what you do here?
Brony, just let me, mama, talk to you now.
What you do here?
Brony, just let me. Brownie, just hear me out now. Just calm down now.
Why are dear? We never just tears for your day.
Brownie, I'm there to make things right.
Oh, you even plan to do that, dog bed?
I'm gonna live up to my responsibilities.
Which responsibility?
I get some royalties and I have some money and I want to give it to you and the baby.
Me no want you. Me no want your money. Me just want you leave.
At least take the money for the baby.
Damien, you need to get it. There's no more baby.
What?
Me lose the baby. It's a week and add now me in the hospital. Me even the pan pill for depression.
How that happen?
Me get licked down, Damien. The same police will come arrest my sister, run your girl bar. You didn't know?
No what?
Say Goody a plan to set you up and beat me again. And a police come lock up my sister.
Brownie, I never have no clue about this, you know.
You never did have no clue. And 1 week and add now. My sister in a jail house for. But they are stressed because I ain't cross this girl. I never know the day would have come and dislike the sight of you. But I'm tell you something right now, you know. Me hate you.
Brownie, just hear me out.
I wouldn't run. What you do ya? Running where am I doing me yard? What you do on me yard, dog, babe?
Just hear me out now.
Me no want to hear nothing but death. What you do on me yard?
Slimmer, just calm down now.
What you mean? Running, Wally. Running, Wally, calm down now. What you mean calm down, Brownie? Me say, hey, you can't tell me say no. I know you said something like that, babe.
Slimmers, I honestly never know say that they did that.
Dog, babe. That listen. A 1 week me stay in a jail for look at my clothes. Dog, babe, come smell me.
Sis, just listen. Just listen, please.
I'm there for make things right.
Make what right? Oh, you gonna make this right?
Sis, him claims him carry money for the baby. I'm tell him someone don't want him, ask him for leave.
Brownie, just take the money now. Just take the money.
Yeah, babe. You didn't hear me someone don't want the money. The money can't bring back my baby.
Brownie, wait a little bit. Yeah, but Brownie and dog, baby, look on them. When you come, listen. We can't talk. We can't talk. Go on. Just have a seat right there. So, I say something to Brownie. Now come here. Brownie, come here. We're going to start with something. We're going to start with something. What do you mean you don't want it? You don't want it. You realize who's still right this?
So we're good now?
Yeah, brother-in-law. Oh, good.
Oh, wait there. She never said she lose the baby.
Brownie! Give me my money!
My face. You too.
The same time when they come up at the yard, up at Goody bar, and the same day when the police am late.
Which responsibility?
Okay, good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sell it, man. Sell it.